Hello everybody and welcome to my 85th VBA 2010 tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how to use the top keyword in SQL in order to bring back a select amount of records. So I'm going to get it to bring through use it to bring through the most recent sale. So first of all I want to order by sale date. And I want it to be descending, so it's going to put the most recent one first and then list them all down. And then at the beginning of my select statement I'm going to put select top and then I'm going to put a number. So I'm going to put top 1, sale date, sale item from sales, where customer ID is between 8 and 10, blah 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 blah. And now if I clear out what's in my sheet at the moment and then press play in here, and it's going to bring through 2 because I've got 2 both for the same day, which is a bit awkward. So let's just change one of them to a different day, more recent day. So let's put it to today's date and press play after clearing our thing. Click in our sub, press play, and it's only going to bring through 1 record, so it's just bringing through the most recent records. Notice how when I did do it before, because it had 2 with the same value, it did bring them both through. So you'll be careful with that. It's probably in this case more relevant with a time serial than with an actual date, because then it will bring through the most recent one. What we could have done is put another filter on for, say, name or item value, and it would have brought through that one instead. Now we can bring through, instead of putting top 1, we can put in a higher number. So let's say bringing through top 2, and then when we press play, it's going to bring through the most recent 2 records. So we can also put in a percent. So let's say we want to put in 50, and then you have to write the word percent. You can't just use the percent sign. Press play, and that's still going to bring us 2 through, because without the top 50% it will bring us 4 through. So when we put in select top 50%, it's going to only bring through half of the records. So if we delete them and then press play in here, and it's only going to bring through half of the records. So you could bring out, say, the top 25% to get like the highest quartile, things like that. So that's how you use the top keywords. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the sum or count the sum and count keywords in order to do a little bit of calculation on your records. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.